Are you having post-Erasmus depression?
Yes.
Have you graduated and cannot find any job?
Yes.
Would you like to travel and get to know other cultures?
Yes.
No more worries, we got the solution for you.
Really?
Try EVS.
EVS?
EVS is a European voluntary service from the Erasmus Plus program. With EVS, you can get a volunteering job in another European country while meeting new people and having lots of fun. Let's see what experts think about EVS.
It is proven that EVS increases endorphins by 94%, causing volunteers to feel happier and live a longer life.
All of this is really cool, but I cannot afford to live in another country.
Don't worry, the accommodation costs are covered.
And I have to eat.
It's covered.
And the travel tickets.
It's covered too.
And the nightlife.
Okay guy, don't push it.
Sorry.
With EVS, you can work abroad from 1 to 12 months.
Yeah, well, I studied photography, so I don't know if this should be...
Don't worry, EVS projects are professionally orientated. All you have to do is look for the project that suits you more.
Thanks! I'm going right away!
Good luck! Well, he didn't let me explain that to apply for an EVS project, you can contact a sending organization from your country. They will help you to apply for an EVS project, or you can just check the website. Remember, EVS, fun and for free!